Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Robert and welcome to my channel. Have you got a chance to watch the video number 363? In the video number 363, I was share with you guys how to create a new impact by using watercolors ink refill. So I did one by using the uninked foam pad. It worked perfect, and I added the new blue color, which I'm very happy with the color. So the idea was come from when I created this video. When I created this card, and then I just feel that I am missing one of the beautiful blue that I can use to create this beautiful deep blue sea that you're looking from the bottom of the sea to up. So, and then I just love a Memento's impact. I just found out their impact is awesome. So, and then I said, okay, I got to create the missing blue I was looking for. So if you haven't got a chance, make sure you check it out. The last video, we'll put the link below, or just search for video Local King Robert Stan video number 363. So today is just a short follow out to show you the color that I did add to my collection. So I'm working on actually I already finished recording this video. I just want to share with you a quick look what's the difference. If we don't compare, that looks pretty nice blue already, right? But I'm going to share with you the new card that I create by using my new custom-made impact. See the difference? See that blue? This was the blue that I was looking for. Okay, so the video is already finished. I'm just doing a little bit editing. But today's video, I just want to share with you the 5 colors. So after the video I create the 363, I immediately finish all 5 review all 5 impact by using the blueberries refill. Oh, this one is new. I haven't opened yet. This is a great color, and I think they are going to discontinue soon because I go to their website, and then some of the refill is already no longer available. So I just placed a wholesale order, and then I am going to try to refill all of them. Special this green. This green, some of the green refill is already out. So they do have a retail store. If you retail online store, if you have those impact, I really suggest you try to order the refill, because I don't know are they going to discontinue or not. They are wonderful impact and the beautiful color, and the some of the reinker the ink refill is already out of stock, and I don't know are they going to bring it back or not. So just something keep in your mind, and then stay tuned for the video for this card. It's just beautiful. And then for the background, those manta ray stencil is going to be the free digital image for you to download it. Okay, so today's video I am going to just that's a share with you here. So this is the original Memento impact, and that's the 6 blue color they have. They have a total of 36 3 colors. And then I just find out I just need a few more, and those are the color that I created yesterday. So this video is not a sponsored video. I don't have any sponsors, because this is channel I create for Local King Robert Stamps customer to share with you guys how to use a Local King's product. This is just something that I use, and I'm just deeply in love. You don't have to have exactly the same impact like that I have. You can use any dye-based impact will do the good job. There's a lot of a wonderful impact outside, and just this is my favorite impact. I have trying all other people's impact, and I'm just come back with my Memento. It's just my favorite. So I hope if they watch my video, please create a more impact color. Okay, but we got the problem solved. So always found out those color labels, they are not exactly the right color. So I actually created my own label here, and I already created a video to share with you guys how I storage my all 300 something ish impact. Do you really need all? You don't. Like if you have been following my video, most of the impact I use are those Memento. So if you're looking for a good quality impact and you want to purchase some, I think this is the great choice. So, and this is the ink impact foam pad. I was kind of worried about it because on their website they say the pigment ink, they only say pigment. They didn't say only. They just say pigment refill. They didn't say you can only use the pigment. So I did the dye base refill, and then I think they works just fine. Also, their ink foam pad, they come with this one. I think it will keep them wet for a while. So, but I will follow out 2 weeks later because they do have some impact is a foam finish. So if you like to see this video, see if you don't compare, I think these ones are really very pretty. But don't you think that blue, that's the forest blue, I just love that blue. I've been looking for a perfect blue and the perfect green for a long time, and then I am excited when I do this one. That will be awesome. Okay, so today's video, we are going to, first of all, I am going to wear the gloves. They say it's a water-based impact, but I just found out they are kind of hard to clean. You actually really have to scrub it a little bit, so don't want to have a dirty finger all the time. So let's do this. And I'm going to just use those inexpensive makeup sponge wedges to rub the color. So we're gonna do the original one. So this is the summer sky. You guys probably know when I was doing the show, this is the color I always use for my background. So I'm going to just rub some. You know what, I don't know it's going to pick up enough color. So you know what, let's just do this. We're going to just rub some color. I am actually want to create. So this is the summer sky. I actually want to kind of create a color label and then put on top of it. This is a little bit small, but does the job. Usually we will see just from the side, right? But since I am showing you guys what's the result of my creating, so we are going to just do this. So that summer sky probably need to refill soon, so let's do that. Okay, and second one, and this one. Maybe patting is a good idea. And this one, TLZO. Okay. So I'm using the Canson watercolor paper. It's just stronger. I mean, they can hold the water much better. The Paris dust. Okay, and the last one, nautical blue. Okay, so that's the, so those 6 color is the original color from the Memento. So just make a little bit solar color because my table is not not my table, my paper is not really. So I got a re-inker. I don't have to worry about my ink dry. Okay, so let's try this forest blue. Is the first color I create. Is number 23. And then I think it's going to be awesome because they are the foam instead of the fill. So look at this, how pretty it is. So I'm going to just tap it. What a beautiful blue. This is the blue that I have been looking for. And see the color. I kind of repeat the tapping few times, so the color is a little bit darker, but that's the color I was looking for. Second color is number 23, crystal blue. And Nancy, actually, she's right, because I found out when the foam finish, let's actually ink better. Okay, so that's my second blue, and also a beautiful color. It's called the crystal blue. What you can do is, if you this is a bottle, what you can do is you can put some foam tape, and then so when you open it, they will kind of just pick up that plastic. The other one is aquamarine. So let's do. You can see this is the fell finish, and this is the foam. And then to ink one of the ink pad, it probably take a quarter of your ink. So, and this one is the Marina, and I use a white gel pen. I found out the foam pad is much moisture than the felt one. Before, I'm actually not a big fan of the foam, but I think their foam is just these two colors. I kind of find that they are very, very similar. Okay, so the one on the top is more the one on the bottom is a more grape color. The one on the top is I think they are different, right? But when I put these two, it kind of pretty much similar. Let's do one more with a little bit lighter. So let's try this Marina first. 20. Okay, the good thing is this is 20. Number 20 is no longer available. So you don't have to worry if they don't have it. And then we are going to do the 19. 19. Did you see a difference? I think they're pretty much the same. You know what? Let me check it out. Maybe when I refill the color, I accidentally refill one of the color 2 times. But the color strip is look slightly different. Let me find out. I will be right back. Okay, that's to find out, because I actually found out these two are so similar. I'm kind of question myself when I refilled it. Did I accidentally refill the same color 2 times? So I have at least a 19 and a 20. Let's start with the 19 first. So 19, let's do the 19 on the top. And let's do the 20 on the bottom. Okay, and I'm going to just use wedges. Okay, so this is the 19. Okay, so that's 19. I think they are not really big different. It's pretty much the same. I think the blue one, I'm sorry, the number 20 is a little bit more marine color. This 19 is more grape color. So I didn't make a mistake. So that's good because the number 19 is actually no longer available on their website. So you can just use the 19 instead of 20. So this is what I create, and then look at few new color. These a few color. I really like it, and I just going to wait until they are completely dry, and I'm going to just use my oval die cut, and then cut oval and stick on my impact, so that way I can easily find out which color is which color. Okay, so that's everything for today. I hope you like it, and stay tuned for my next project. So this is Lisa from Low Cooking Rubber Stamp. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.